Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your account is verified and permissions are enabled so the app can find machines. Once done, open Wash Connect and allow location and Bluetooth prompts. This is how the app discovers nearby washers. Next, tap New Load, choose the exact machine number shown on the machine, and pick a program. Do this now so the app pairs immediately with the machine. Small delays can cause pairing timeouts and wasted time. Once connected, customize the cycle to match fabric and soil level, adjust temperature and spin speed, and add rinse options if needed. Then add payment details, card, app wallet, or promo code, confirm the charge, and save a receipt for records. After you hit Start, use Live Status to watch the timer and receive push notifications for completion or errors. This keeps you from returning too early and makes it easy to switch loads promptly, improving efficiency. When the cycle ends, remove garments promptly and mark the machine free in the app so others can see availability. If the machine reports an error, immediately tap Help then Diagnostics to run a remote restart or request a refund. Follow on-screen instructions and keep the error code. For payment problems, open transactions, verify the charge, and contact support with the receipt ID. Doing these steps quickly resolves most issues and ensures you recover funds or restart the cycle without long delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.